This video will review basic and advanced spreadsheet formulas for calculating expenditures. To calculate multiple occurrences of the same cost, enter the calculation directly into the cell. For example, if your hotel costs $95 a night and you plan to stay for 4 nights, type equals 95 asterisk 4. To add the values in a column, use the sum formula. For example, to add the cost for your entire trip, select the total cost cell. Type equals sum, then select the cells with the cost. Press enter to calculate the result. To calculate category totals, create a space in your spreadsheet for categories. List transportation, lodging, food, and attractions or souvenirs in separate cells. Beside the first category name, type equals SUMIF. Select values in the category column. Select the cell with the criteria or category name. And select the cells in which you listed the cost. Make sure to separate the range, criteria, and sum range with commas. Press enter, and the function automatically calculates what you allocated in the first category. Copy the formula to the other categories, using absolute cell reference where needed to indicate values that do not change. Change the cell format to currency to reflect dollars and cents wherever necessary. When you finish calculating all your expenses, add a chart to help visualize your spending. Select the table you created with the category names and totals, then select Insert Chart. If you are still confused about these formulas, try to figure out the problem yourself. Return to previous activities in this unit, or search the internet for more advice. You can ask your neighbor or your teacher for help. If you have time, make your spreadsheet more personal by adding images, links, fill colors, font styles, and other visuals. If you can't figure out how to add these features, use the Help tab in the menu. Ask a neighbor or search the internet for more instructions.